Hello and welcome to another vlog. It's another adventure today from the sister island of Gozo. Today we're at Ramla, l-Ħamra. Have a look here. How beautiful during winter. And we are going to trek heading to the Marsalforn area. So stay with us. We have taken this path here. Have a look how beautiful, eh? This is the Ramla, l-Ħamra. Amazing views from here. Wow. We have reached this part. We are going uphill now. It's a bit steep. Have a look over here, but it's doable. We need to take great care. Imagine going down in the rain here. It's impossible. Have a look how greenery it is. We came to this part. We have that very steep over there, and we have another path over here. So we are going to take the easy one, inverted commas. Unfortunately, we do not know exactly the trail where it leads, but there are some red markings on the rock, so it could be the correct one. Have a look from up here. It's amazing, eh? So we're on top of this hill. That is the Ramla, l-Ħamra, from where we came. And these are amazing views of this area. Have a look. There are those tiny beaches, rocky ones, with rocks, and notice the sand in the sea over there. I think in winter it will be swept out in sea, and then it will be recovered, I think, later on by the authorities, I don't know, or naturally. Have a look. We returned back from this train. We didn't make it to Marsalforn because we're tight in time, unfortunately, because we have a lunch booked. So we had to turn back, and we're going from here to go to that beach over there. It's all greenery currently in Malta. It's winter, eh? This is winter, but with the sun, beautiful views from here. So we're going down over there, look. We decided to cut it a bit short. We're going next to this beach because we're very tight with time, and hopefully you're enjoying this short trail. So stay with us. It's amazing, eh? This tiny beach. I don't know if it has a name. Serenity, peaceful. Look. And now we have reached the secluded beach. Have a look what people do, unfortunately, to the environment. A lot of trash here, which was washed out from the sea. Look. It's all clay over here. A lot of pebbles. You can hear I'm going on the pebbles. Have a look. This is another perspective of this secluded beach. A lot of trash, unfortunately. We have another secluded bay here. A lot of, look, the clay. It went down. We have to be very cautious here. Have a look. Wow, have a look. I'm trying to show you many of this place, but I'm feeling not that safe here, so we have to turn back. Very, very slippery. Have a look here. Well, in Maltese we call it għażiż. It's like grass, sea grass, that grows up on rocks, and it's very, very slippery. So I am taking great care not to fall. And now we are going back. Have a look at this cliff. It's all clay, yeah? Oops. Very, very slippery, as I told you. I am going back from this secluded bay. It's all, have a look, clay, rocks, the sea. It's a raw area. I don't know if people come here to swim during summer especially. It's very nice with kayak here. I never kayaked in Gozo till now, but hopefully this summer I will do some kayak around Gozo. Now we are heading back to the Ramla, l-Ħamra. You are listening the voices of children and other people. May I remind you that today it's still February and there are people on the beach. It's like summer, even for the foreign ones. This temperature, today it's around 19 degrees Celsius. It's like summer for them, even for us. So we took this spot now. Have a look, there's that dock, maybe you can see it. It's playing in the sea. And that was the end of another vlog today from the Ramla, l-Ħamra. We took a short trek and back. Hope you enjoyed our adventure. Please subscribe, like and comment on my channel, Angelo Caruana. Until the next one, bye bye.